Okay, so what we're seeing here is RTT DeltaGen version 12, in which we are actually right now in the NVIDIA booth featuring the new Quadro, the new K6000, which is the new graphic card that now supports up to 12 gigabytes of memory. Before we had issues with the amount of data that we can use to put into a graphic card, so we have some limits in the amount of polygons or triangles that we can put into a scene. Right now, even though 12 gigabytes, it's a big number. Still, we're in the future. I'm sure we're going to run out of space, but we're pushing the limits with this technology. Now we're able to basically put complete cars in DeltaGen from production to create some incredible real-time solutions for rendering. This model has some built-in animations as well. It has different interiors. We have a different interface right now from which I can change different environments, I can change colors. Let's take a look. So I can change the different colors for the vehicle. This is great for design studies. We can go inside. Another of the features of the software is that we can use ray tracing, and these are physically accurate reflections. All right, so we can see here that this vehicle in particular, let's see if we can find a different environment. The veiling glare, it's a study that you can do when you change the different environments. Let's say the lighting condition is different, and you can see in this case with the ray trace, with a dark background, the veiling glare, you can see it even more from the dashboard, right? In a studio lighting environment, you can see it because of the colors, a different effect, and like a type of sunset. This will be the way the veiling glare will look like. So we have OpenGL renderings, we have ray tracing that almost works in real time, and GI as well, right? So as I said, we have a few built-in animations. This is a complete vehicle, and if we could pay a little attention in here, we are using almost 11 gigabytes of memory. This was not possible before with the K5000 or Quadro 6000. The amount of memory that we are storing in the graphic card now, it's massive, and it's allowing us to do this kind of work now. This in terms of time that a company is using for design studies, the time is going to from weeks or a week to a days or maybe to an hours.
Increasing amount of design iterations. Now design review will truly be this collaborative.
And this is a fully configurable vehicle, right? So you can change environment, you can change paint, you can change maybe some different wheels if they have wheels. In this case, we have a special use case for Nissan, because they use this procedure and they evaluate their design using poly data. However, DeltaGen has something built in called Nerves on Demand, which is a very smart way in which DeltaGen manage the data. The nerves are compressed at all times unless you do any type of tessellation operation. And this is something that happens behind. It's not something that the user actually notes about it. But since the data is compressed at all times, it's faster to work with, allowing us to work in real time.